Hey everyone, so this is what was at Essence Fest. The new cosmetic bag and a new product that I actually was working on, and that is the Clove skincare collection. So it has the Rich Skin Face Serum, it has the almost all gone Superfood Rose Water Essence, and the Repair Retinol Cream. Now, the only difference between the Clove collection and the Hip collection is that the Clove collection replaces the CBD that is inside the product. So CBD helps with anti-inflammation and plumping the skin. Clove oil helps with killing bacteria and inflammation. And then there's other ingredients that will help plump out the skin. So what you do is you take, this is a dropper, a pump. You pump in the Superfood Rose Water Essence into your hand, and you just want to press it into your skin like so. Press it in, press it in. This is what hydrates and minimizes your pores. And then you want to do it mindfully, so taking a deep breath and cooling down. And then you have the Rich Skin Face Serum. So I'm only going to take one drop. You do not need a lot. You just need one drop. And you just put one. Okay, maybe I'm not even pressing. I'm literally putting the dropper to my face. And then you just take what's on there, and then you press into the skin. So the Rich Skin Face Serum is good for plumping up your skin, removing hyperpigmentation. If you have eczema, it helps calm down any type of flares of eczema. But the whole point is to plump and strengthen your skin barrier. So I just take what's on there and I pat it around the face. I have dark circles underneath my eyes. Well, not dark, but I get really bad bags when I'm tired and stressed. So I just take it and I press it into the skin. You just want to press it into the skin. If you have a gua sha tool, you can like press it, massage it into the skin. And so that's how I use that. And then the last part you'll do is the retinol cream. I'm going to use a sunscreen after putting this retinol cream on, but you just apply this retinol cream to the dermis, your skin. This has flaxseed in it, vitamin C, ceramides, niacinamide. I just take a little bit, a dime size on my palm, and I press it into the skin. I guess I need a little bit more. I like my face to be moisturized. I don't know about you. And so I just take it and I press it around. He's like, oh, a lot of people at Essence Fest were like, oh, why aren't you massaging it into your skin? Well, because if you're massaging it into your skin, you're actually massaging it into your hands. So you just want to massage it underneath. It's safe underneath the eye. It's gentle enough underneath the eye. And y'all, I had myself a nice espresso martini, but it definitely has some cream in it to make it nice and creamy. And that thing came out on my skin. I had dry patches everywhere. I still do, but it's getting better. It's getting better. But yeah, that's how you use the skincare collection. Let me get them all up for you. So you have the Superfood Rose Water Essence, step 1. Step 2, Rich Skin Face Serum. And then step 3 is the Repair Retinol Face Cream. These are all together with the bag. It's $88. And then you can buy them separately online. Okay, guys, I'll talk to y'all later. I had so much fun at Essence Fest. Yes!